the local parks, the green space. I forget the name of it, just looked at it, can't remember it. Flew the drone a little bit, batteries weren't. I knew that normally if it's sit for a week or two, I need to top them off. But they were all about 60%. So, got a little flying in, couldn't find what I was looking for in the park. It's got some, I found the water, but I couldn't find the rocks. I have to talk to my daughter. She does photography in there. There's supposed to be. I found a little wooden bridge. I don't have enough battery to get the drone in. By the time I get it in where I wanted it to go, it was, you know, only had 30% to burn instead of 70. And she would low battery warning, and I let her RTH return to home, and so couldn't do everything I wanted to. Didn't have enough power to get in and explore very much. We'll give it another shot. We'll see what kind of footage that we might have, and give her a look and see if we'll use any of it. Thank you for the responses that I've gotten on my free MFer challenge. I've had several of you saying you were going to look those 3 people up and give them a sub. So that's cool. They all 3 got stickers, so if you're into sticker stuff, do a swap with them. Lady Rebels even got fancy stickers for sale too. She's got her trading stickers and then some in her little store for sale. I bought one of the ones for sale, I think it's $7, with some really cool color in the picture of her on her bike, the animated character. So that was a good idea. And I was trying to remember who come up with it. JT. I can't remember. If I hadn't wanted to tell you, I would have remembered, but I ain't remembering. But that's cool because you don't actually have to be nominated or challenged by anybody. You can just jump in and do it if you want to. That's what I've seen a lot of people do. Hey, if it brings awareness to channels and helps people grow, I'm all for it. I see people with thousands and 100,000s and astronomical figures of subs, and I'm like, how in the world, you know, have they done that? John Marshall just reached the 100,000 sub mark. It's like, holy moly, I can't even figure out how to get to 1,000, let alone 100,000. Slowly but surely, slowly but surely. I mean, I'm on the closer side to 200 than 100, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing. I really started getting a lot more subscribers when I, what's a pretty Accord? 2-door, wild color. But when I started doing sticker swaps with people and getting mail call, where you get called out on their channel, that's helped me grow. So if you're looking to grow, get some stickers. That's what I did. in my P.O. box. It's quite exciting, really. And then to see what somebody's sticker looks like. My sticker board's filled up pretty good. I bought a trifold board. And the center part is probably 75–80% full. We'll start working on the outside wings. But it's fun, exciting. Like you said, you wait to see what somebody has. And then you get surprised with poker chips, which are cool. Matter of fact, I need to check my leather vest. I think my ones I bought on our Saturday ride, I bought 10 more from Cycle World. I was thinking they were in my tour pack, but they're not. They got to be in my vest pocket. Get them out of there. So when somebody does send a poker chip, I can return the favor. I have gotten a lot of poker chips. I have 2 shadow boxes now. I have one that I was making myself from all the different Harley dealers I go to, and every time I go to a new one, I buy a chip. Buy a chip instead of a shirt most of the time. Found it to be a lot cheaper that way. Yeah, $2 or $1 compared to $30 to $40 for a t-shirt. But then we started getting all the poker chips from all of y'all. So I bought another shadow box, and I started putting the YouTube poker chips in there, and it's getting a fair amount in it. I think the shadow box I bought will hold, oh Lord, I'm trying to think, 50? Or just under 50? Something like that if I stack them in there. But they're fun. Yeah, when you look at the poker chip boards or shadow boxes Harley sells, and they got the little round circle cutouts. You don't get as many chips in one with that. And then they're quite a bit. I bought mine from Hobby Lobby. Somewhere between $15 and $25, something like that. Without the cutouts, it'll hold a lot more. I just got that those little blue globs, and I put 2 of them little blue things on the back of the chip, and it holds it into the fabric of the shadow box. Pretty cool. Maybe I'll take a picture and show you the one from YouTube. Maybe I'll put a picture of both of them. Huh. Why not? Alright, my friends, I'm a mile from the house, so I want to say thank you very much for coming along on the ride with me. And it's only a short 10-mile ride each way. Or 11. Yeah. We're going to end up at about 21, 22 miles, so it's about 11 miles to that place. Sorry I couldn't find the water rocks. I have to get my bearings better. I'll have to go with charged batteries and actually bring some walking shoes I didn't go down in there because these boots I got on don't walk well. They ride good, but they don't walk well. That's the bad thing about a lot of the Harley boots. They're meant for sitting on the bike, not walking. We'll be better prepared when we go back, a little more knowledge. But again, thanks for coming along. If you like the video, I might shoot just a touch of the drone video maybe. Click the thumbs up and give it a like. That helps a lot. And if you're not one of my subscribers, if you just drifted in from somewhere, please click my subscribe button. Help my channel grow. On YouTube, the number of your subscribers is important. So if you haven't, please do. Doesn't mean you have to watch. But when you do hit that button, a bell icon will pop up. And if you click that button, YouTube will send you an email when I publish my videos. But just because you click sub doesn't mean you have to watch every video. It's appreciated, but just click it and help me grow. Tin Man saying, we'll see you tomorrow.